Today we are back at that project site to check the progress of the land clearing. If you watched earlier updates, you remember that clearing process have started, and right now we are at the packing and burning stage, which is one of the most important phases when it comes to land preparation. So yes, when the land is first cleared, you will see loads of residues on the floor, tree branches, stumps. So all these ones are removed during clearing and they need to be properly gathered and managed. And this is what we call the packing stage. A lot of people don't do the packing stage, they just clear and they expect people to come in to plant like that. No, you cannot plant like that. And like I do say, if you're hiring people, tell them you want the 3 stages to be done. At this stage, our team gather everything. This might look very simple, but if left, you will not how do I put it? The planting phase will become hard. Because packing helps us organize the farm properly. It makes the next step, which is burning, easy and safer. So you want residue, you don't want you don't want fire to go around the farm because we need to control burning. The goal here is not to destroy the soil. The goal here is simply remove the remaining debris that can interfere with cultivation. Because some people will say, oh, you do this. No, our goal is not to destroy the soil. Now, when burning is done properly, it helps improve the farm preparation stage. And it helps expose the soil surface so that we can see clearly the structure of the land. This stage also helps us to evaluate the land properly. Once everything is cleared, we can now begin to do the full layout of the farm. So the drainage pattern, the soil consistency all over the area, we will see it. And this is important if you are preparing land for commercial purpose, not backyard farming. One thing people don't realize is farm setup is a process. It does not just happen overnight. All these stages are involved and each stage needs to be properly done to avoid problem later. From clearing to packing to burning, even to soil preparation and planting. And this is why proper supervision during farm setup is very, very important, because if any of these stages rush or properly or poorly handled, it can affect the productivity of that farm. So, and this is the part where we monitor during our farm project. I've sent my supervisor to this particular land. I send him here every week since we started this project, every single week. And we started this project in January, and this is March. And that is because we don't want to believe, oh, we are done. Okay, we need to send records to the owner. We need to also be sure that the work is properly done, because we'll be the one setting it up to prevent further losses. Because if we are doing land preparation again, it means we've wasted money for the first stage. So right now the team is making good progress with packing and burning. The stage will be completed this week. As I'm doing the voiceover this week, it will be completed. Then I'll do the final, show you the final clip. Then we'll move to the farm layout. If you've been following this project, you continue to see updates as the farm develop. And if you are someone who is considering investing in agriculture but you are not sure where to start, this is exactly why proper planning and professional supervision matters. And at Farmy Hub, what we do is we help serious investors handle the process from the land selection all the way to farm setup and farm management. Note, we only work with 5 acres and above. So, if you're interested in starting a farm project, you can reach out through the link in the description box and we'll guide you through the next step. And our first step when it comes to working with us is the consultation stage. We need to understand your project. We need to understand what you are looking at. We need to understand how we come in so that we can align the farm to your dream and to the goals that you have. And like I do say, farming is a business. The goal of every business is to make profits. So consultation helps us to outline and draft out how we can make your farming business profitable. So do reach out to us. We will be very glad to speak with you and to start your project. All right. I hope you like this video, because you will see more of farm project video. See you in the next one.
I won't say it's 20%. I'll just give it 10% or 15%. I'll give it 10% of 15%.